how to create a colourful abstract design like this in Illustrator. Go to the Tools panel and select the Polar Grid tool. Press Return. Go to Concentric Dividers, set that to 0. Radial Dividers, set to 40 or 30. Click OK. Click the document and drag and release. Hold down the Shift if you want a circular design. Go over here to the Live Paint bucket, and now what you see, you've got this cursor, and the key thing is the arrow, not the arrow on the bucket. And use the left and right arrow keys to move through all the colours in your current swatches panel. And click. And click. Once you're happy with your colours, click Expand. Go up here, Expand. Then go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangle tool. Click and drag. Hold down the Shift to create a square. Go to the Selection tool, select that. Drag it over all of them. Go to the Alignment, Horizontal and Vertical. Object and down to Clipping Mask and Make. You can resize it. I'm just going to resize it a bit so it's a bit bigger so you can see it. Then go to Effect, down to Distort and Transform and Zigzag. Zigzag, and the default is unfortunately corner. The one I want is smooth. So click there and then change the size. You can also change the number of ridges, and you can create all kinds of variations of this design by increasing this, maybe make it more intense or maybe slightly less. Change the size. Once you're happy, click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.